So guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to put this 7 pieces of clip-ons on her head. So this is 7 pieces. We usually have this is 16 inches and 120 grams weighted, and this is a copper wrap. You're asking the exact item that was asking for. So we have 7 pieces. We're gonna have a picture showing that how we're gonna arrange them. So yeah, I'm gonna section her here. I'm gonna work from the bottom to the top. This section is out, then I'm gonna have this to go with the edge. I'm gonna have this clip snap her on here. Some of her on here, as you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see it. Then I'm just gonna lock it. Please be gentle. The other clip, okay? Pretty steady. Right? Then I'm gonna do the other section. Just use my hair tie to tie her hair this time. Just easier for you to show guys. Okay, awesome. Okay, keep them open. And then snap on her here. Snap. Snap. All right. Then I'm gonna do this big piece. This is for clip-ons. So I'm gonna have it clip on the middle of her head. I'm just gonna tie her here. On top, then I'm gonna use this 4 clip-on pieces. This one, of course, I'm gonna keep them open. And also, sometimes we would have thread like this. Please just take them out because it get out from this weft. Okay, have that open, and then go well with the section. So just snap them with your hair. Okay, 1, 3, 4. Oh, 3. Sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. You can see it's all half done. Okay, then I'm gonna use this 4 clips to put 3 clips on to put on her side. So it would have more time here on the side, not just the back. I'm just gonna section it first. Snap. Please make sure it snaps on your hair. Oops. Okay. Here you go. My hair on the side. And then I'm gonna do this another one clip. Since I'm working on this side, I'm just gonna add it more on the front. So I'm just using my finger this time because it's only one clip. One clip. Snap. There you go. This is how it looks on this side. Okay, I'm gonna turn around on this side. Yeah, it need more here on the left side. This is 120 inches, 100 grams, 16 inches long. This is how you get.